Take a disposable container and put some coal in it. Fill the container with soil and compost. Mix them well. Put some water until the soil is wet enough. Say Bismillah Rahman Rahim and put 3 seeds in the soil. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Cover lightly with the soil. Spray some water afterwards. Put it in the sunlight.